Before you upload your next video, there is something you must check first. Copyright and age restrictions. Because many creators upload videos, start getting views, and later discover they can't monetize because of copyright claims or restrictions. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to check everything to avoid had I known. So that being said, follow me and let's go to the studio, the desktop version. I'll be using my phone. To do that, you have to open your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice. Wait for it to process. We are now in the YouTube studio. Let me zoom it a bit. So to check for copyright on your videos, first, click on the Content tab at the left side corner. Then look up. On the header column, click Filter. And from the drop-down menu, click on the Copyright. If there is any copyright on any of your videos, it's going to show here. I have no copyright issues, that's why it's written no matching videos. So let's close here to go back. Click on the X. To check if there's any age restriction on your videos. Not all videos are allowed to be watched in every region, or even to be watched by all ages. On YouTube, any video that is not made for the kids will be restricted if you did not set your channel on not made for the kids. And this may somehow affect your video monetization. Once we are done on this section, I will show you how to set your channel on not made for the kids. So you will not be setting it manually each time you want to post your video, because you may forget someday to set it, and that will be a problem. Except you are creating videos only for the kids, then you can set it on made for the kids. So we are going to click on Filter again. Then click on Made for the Kids. Tick the box that is beside Not Made for the Kids. We want to check if there is any matching video which may be in your channel without you knowing. So click Apply. YouTube showed all my videos, meaning that all of them are not made for the kids, because I set my channel as not made for the kids. So let's go back once more. Click on the X to cancel. Then click on the filter again. Now we are going to check the age restriction. So click on the first option, which is age restriction. Click on viewers over 18 years. Then tap Apply. Your own may not be written as Apply. Your site may be saying Take Over or some other thing. Just click on it. Do you see? It says no matching videos. So to be very sure, we are going to check two more things. Let's go back. Click on X. Then click on Filter once more. Click on Made for Kids. Tap Set to Made for Kids by YouTube. Just tick the box beside it. Tap Apply. It says no matching video. The reason why we are checking all this is because at times you may set your channel on not made for the kids. YouTube may reset it. If they find any video that they feel is made for the kids in your channel, they may set it to made for the kids. So in this case, if you feel their decision is wrong, you have to appeal the decision. Tell them your reasons why you said that the video is not made for the kids. If they accept your appeal, fine. And if they don't, your channel setting will remain on made for the kids. And any channel that is set on made for the kids, there are certain features you may not be allowed to use. The comment section will be disabled and some other features. So let's go back once more to do the final check. So we're going to click on the filter again. Click on Made for the Kids once more. Then, click on Made for Kids, set by you. This is to check whether I set my channel with this option. Tap Apply. Can you see that? It says no matching videos. So at this point, I am 100% sure that my channel is safe. Now let's go back to the dashboard. Or you can stop at channel content. Just scroll up. I want to show you how to set your channel on Not Made for Kids permanently. Click on this settings button. You have to wait a bit. Then click on channel. Scroll to the left. Click on advanced settings. Now look below. You have to answer this question. And it says, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? And you are given two options to choose one. Either yes, I want my channel to be set as made for kids, or no, I don't want my channel to be set as made for kids. As you can see, I chose the second option, which is I don't want my channel to be set as made for kids. And that's it. To exit, click on close to go back. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So if you found value on this video, just give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more useful YouTube tutorials. See you on the next one.